Hey guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to log out from devices on your Discord account. So this is very useful and it's important for the security of your account because maybe you have logged into your Discord account on a device that is not personal or a friend's device or even a public device. So it's important to log out and check the devices that have access to your Discord account. So I'm gonna show you how in just a few seconds. This is very easy. First thing you need to do is go to user settings. And now here you will see devices. Just click here and you will see all the information of the devices where you have logged into your Discord account. You can see the device and the location of the device and when you logged into the account. I'm obviously going to censor all the detailed information. If you scroll down to the bottom, you can see this option to log out of all known devices. As you can see, you will have to log back in on all logged out devices. So I recommend you to do that from time to time. I'm gonna do it right now. Then you need to put your password. And that's basically it. Now I only have my current device and I have no other devices. Another way to log all your devices out is by changing your password, but I'm not gonna do it right now. So I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.